Oh boy. All right. Hey everyone, it's the Nature Man, and I got to tell you something right now. I feel like a failure. Um, I'm out here at this beautiful location for this beach, and I have attempted twice to set up a covering for this camping cot so I can be protected against the sun. I've been out here for far too long struggling. I tried with the big 10 by 10 tarp I have. I've tried with this. I feel defeated, guys. I'll be honest with you, I feel defeated because no matter what I've tried to do to get this to work, I just can't get it to work. And I need to talk about this because this is the reality of getting out into nature. You know, we see all the time these videos of YouTubers going out there and spending time out in the woods, spending time in the beach and all this other kind of stuff. And they show their setups and everything looks all fine and dandy. But you don't know the struggles that you have to go through sometimes to get to that point. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm at the point where I have just been struggling and struggling and struggling. No matter what I've tried to do, I've got stones for these guylets. Nothing is working. I've got the 2 poles, and I just cannot get this setup to work that I want. I just want a covering from the sun. It's not happening. And like I said, I am just feeling downright defeated for this. And you know what, folks? We're going to have days like that. And it sucks. It absolutely does, because I want to get out here. I wanted to show a good video at this location, show the wonders of setting up a camping cot on the beach with a tarp, but it's just not happening. And then it just makes me realize that, yeah, there are alternative ways of doing things. There are alternative pieces of gear that you can have for different setups. And I think that's the key right there, is not every location is a cookie cutter setup with the gear that you have. Sometimes you have to try something different in order to make it work. And basically that's the point that I'm at right now. So I just want to get on here and just show you guys that it's not always perfect when you get out there into the elements. Like I said, it is a beautiful day. The beach is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous out. Sun is hot. I've had something to drink, but I'm dying here. I need to nourish and replenish my body. But I just wanted to get on real quick and just share the frustration that I have, because it's real. And it's just a lesson for you all to learn that not every adventure that you see doesn't come with a price, doesn't come with its moments of feeling down and defeated. So if you ever feel like that, please drop a comment below and let me know, because I am going to get better for the rest of the day. But just at this particular moment, I just feel like nothing I've tried to do is working, and I'm just ready to pack it up and head over to a different spot maybe and enjoy the rest of the day here at this beach. I don't know. So yeah, just let you know it happens, folks. It happens. All right. Take care. God bless. And I'll catch you on the next one.